Hi, Matthews here from M&A Forex Traders. Have you ever wondered how we create our watch list? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I do and everything else. So watch till the end. All right. So watching all these pairs can be really tiresome. So what steps are you supposed to take in order for you to be able to have less stress in terms of looking at the chart, so that you can really just focus on those particular pairs which you can be focusing at that particular time? So let me just show you right here. So all these pairs you're seeing here are trades that we actually take. These are pairs that we trade once in a while, right? So how do I come up with these watch lists right here, which are indicated in red? So what I do is that I look for my setups every time, right? So on a Sunday like this, I'll start from here, from the very first top right there. I'll start looking for my setups, right? I'll start from here all the way to this area right here. All right, so from the top to the bottom, I'll look for my setups, and then I'll find I'll find currency pairs which have my setups. All right, so meaning you're supposed to have a strategy. You are supposed to have a strategy that you're looking at every time, and when the setup is present in that particular pair, you analyze it fully, put where you're expecting price to come, where your stop loss is going to be, where your target is going to be. Make sure you analyze that particular pair, and then you highlight it. So TradingView gives you this option to actually choose a color. So for me, I choose red for those that I look to trade, right? So like today is a Sunday, I'm preparing for next week. So I've already prepared the pairs that I'm going to be looking at, and I've already shared them in the private community, in our private community, mentorship community, right? So I'll start from here. I'll be looking for my setups in all these trades. So right here, if I open a trade like this particular pair right here, I'll check if I have my system. I'll do multiple time frame analysis on that particular pair, and if it fits my criteria, I'll be able to analyze. So usually it doesn't take me more than 3 minutes to analyze one currency pair. So if I just open a chart like this, I know that okay, this currency pair is too far away from a level that I want to see it hold, right? Therefore, I'll just move on to the second one. And then here I'll say, okay, this right here is close to my currency, my level of interest, where I'll be interested in buying this particular pair or selling this particular pair. Therefore, I analyze. If it's too far away from where I want it to come to, I won't bother. All right. So I do this on a Sunday, and then those setups that I've found out of the 30 pairs, over 33 pairs that I go through, I'll probably come up with maybe like in this case today I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 currency pairs that I'm looking to trade that have my setup as of today, right? So these are the setup I'm going to send, and you can see that I've already shared them in our private community right here in the mentorship community. I've shared this forecast right here for this week. However, these are not the only setups that the market is going to give me for this particular week. So what you're going to realize is that as the market opens, some of the trade setups are going to be invalidated. Sometimes the market just come and take out your high or the low that you're planning to buy or sell from, and that trade setup would have been invalidated. And another thing I do is that I set a alert. So for example, if I'm expecting this price to come to this level right here, I will set an alert and I'll wait for price to come to that level. Okay, if I'm expecting price to come here, I'm going to set an alert so that I wait for price to come to that particular level. There's no need of me trying to set pending orders, because when I set pending orders, the market can just go through that level. No one knows, right? So in order to avoid all that, you just need to set alerts and then wait for the market to come to that level. You can't be trading all these pairs right here. What you have to do is screen through these currency pairs, find the ones which has met your age, your criteria, and then focus on those. So out of the 33 pairs, I'm focusing right now on only for these 6 right here. And then some of these setups are going to be invalidated by the time the market is opening. Therefore, I'll just remain with maybe 2 or 3, right? And then on Monday, Whenever I'm free, I'll browse through these currency pairs to try to see if that particular level, that particular trade, which was far away from my area, maybe price has come to my area. Then I go and analyze. And the ironic part about this is that I actually enjoy the process, so it's not tedious for me. Like I'll be done analyzing in like 30 minutes. I'll be done going through all the pairs, and I'll ready to have my watch list for that particular week. And then on Monday, I'll find time to go through the market, see which currency pairs have my setups. On Tuesday, same thing. The Tuesday, Wednesday until Friday, I'm going to be going through my charts, finding out which pair has my age, which pair has my setup. So if it has my setup, then I'll be able to actually analyze that kind of currency pair. And when I analyze, I always share in our private community for the focus, so that you are aware what I'm looking at, so that you know exactly what I'm waiting for in the market, so that even if I've not seen the particular signal, you as my student, you are able to actually take that trade because it has already been pre-analyzed, it has already been forecasted. Therefore, there's no need for you to actually wait for me. And through that, you can build skill and confidence when you see setups actually working. So this is how I do it. This is how I come up with my weekly forecast, my daily forecast, and all that. So you have to have a system that you follow. Otherwise, it's going to be very stressful if you're always going to be focused. I mean, like monitoring all these setups, all these currency pairs, which are a lot, and it will just give you so much stress. So there's no need for you to stress. What you have to do is find your age, make sure that you have an age, you have a strategy that has proven to work. If you don't have a strategy that works, check the first link in the description. It will take you to our M&F Mastery course. And when you buy that course, you get lifetime mentorship and lifetime signal, plus a lot more things like getting forecast and all that. Okay. So if you have a strategy, look for that strategy, look for the setups look for the currency pairs that have your setup, put them on top of your watch list right here, and then wait for the market to come to your level. We don't chase the market, we let the market come to us, and then we decide whether to buy or sell depending on how the price is approaching to this level. So I actually thought this was going to be helpful to you guys. So I hope I've answered your question if you actually had such a question. All right. So make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, and let me know in the comment section, how do you come up with your watch list? So comment in the comment section, and I'll personally reply to your comment. All right, you guys, I hope you found value in this video. Until next time, goodbye.